Hi, we're going to do a review video next on circles. This is Concept 7. A lot of vocabulary with this unit. So I've drawn a couple pictures here, right? Radius is the distance from the center of the circle to any point along the outside. The diameter is a line that goes through the center and hits both sides of the outside. And the outside is the circumference. So also, if you think about maybe perimeter, maybe that word is familiar. And perimeter and circumference, we use circumference if we're talking about a circle, perimeter, almost any other shape. So the distance on the outside. Now for radius and diameter, I used to remember the difference because radius is the shorter word and the shorter distance, the longer distance. Bunch of formulas, right? One for area, that's what the A stand for, equals pi r squared. Now r represents the radius over here. Pi is that magical number 3.14, blah, 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 off it goes indefinitely. We'll talk lots about pi, it's pretty cool. C stands for circumference, so that's if you wanted to know, right, how much distance around the circle it is. Two formulas for that. One is 2 times pi times r, right, r being radius, or you can just say diameter times pi. That kind of makes sense, right, because 2 radiuses is a diameter. So they're the same thing. Just kind of use the one that makes sense for the question. So we have a question here. We have a circle with a radius of 3 meters. So let's find the area. So if area equals pi squared, right? I know that pi is 3.14. My radius here is 3, and I'm going to square. Now squared does not mean 3 times 2, which is 6, right? That's incorrect. Square means how many times you're going to multiply the number by itself. So 3 squared is 3 times 3 is 9. If it were 3 cubed, I would go 3 times 3 is 3, which is 27. A little bit different. So this question says 3.14 times 9. And I'll need my calculator for this. If you've got a pi button on your calculator, it's more accurate to use that pi button than to type in 3.14. But either way, right, you'll get the right answer. Just write down exactly 28.26. Now, area is a measurable amount. This is in meters, so meters is my answer. But area isn't just a distance, it's like how much stuff you're coloring in, so we say meters. Red. Oops, sorry, that's not the best box. Now let's say I wanted to find the circumference of the same circle, given the radius, so I'm going to times r times 3.14. And I can plug those three numbers right into my calculator. So I have 2 times 3.14 times, oopsie, 3. I can do it right, yeah. 18.84. Again, I gotta make sure those units are there. And we're talking a distance, so meters are good. Hope that helps a bit. If you have any questions, please ask in class.